Finally, I have the iPhone 15. I got it from Mobilizer, and let's unbox it in this video. Okay guys, for today's video, I have to go in front of the camera because I'm gonna be unboxing this real close. So again, I got this iPhone from Mobilizer. Any guesses what model, what color I got? All right, leave them in the comments below. Okay, so the iPhone I got is, it's a 15 Pro. I am kind of sick of the big phone, the Pro Max, so I went for a smaller phone this time, and the color I got is natural titanium. I think it is the best color, maybe, and the most versatile with cases. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Again, this is the Hong Kong variant, so you will see me later on setting it up for a dual SIM and also putting my accessories in this phone. All right, so let's go ahead and pull out the pull tabs. Ooh, this is the first time I'm gonna see the iPhone. The titanium in person actually looks very, very pretty. And definitely, I mean, I came from the 14 Pro Max, so that was really heavy. This one's a lot lighter, but also because it's a smaller phone, it's actually very gray. I thought it's gonna be a little bit more like gold-ish. But here we go. Let's the rounded corners actually are really underrated. It feels so much nicer to hold. Okay, just inside the box, you will get your USB-C to USB-C, and then also you get your SIM ejector tool, of course, and also just an Apple sticker that I don't think anyone ever uses anymore. Okay, so before I go to that table and show you the accessories, installing the screen protector, installing the two of my SIM cards, I want to get the thoughts of someone that's not really into tech. So let me bring out Viv. Okay, here is the phone. Let me know your first thoughts. You like it?
It looks like the old iPhone, but the edges look a little more rounded, I guess.
Isn't it more comfortable to hold?
Yeah, it is. And also,
wait, let's get your phone. Okay, guys, just for reference, what she has here is the iPhone 14 Pro Max in the deep purple. This is the natural titanium iPhone 15. So, what do you think of the two?
I feel like this is more lightweight, and it feels more comfortable to hold. Like it has a better grip, I would say, because this one has like sharp edges. In terms of color, I wouldn't say I'm so in love with this color. I'd rather have probably the white one.
Okay, definitely you're gonna have some haters because of that comment. Stop getting my show. Back to me. I'm also gonna try to feel out the two. Yeah, definitely, yeah. This one, the 14 Pro, it digs into your, I don't know, your skin, wherein this is a lot more, a lot more comfortable to hold. In terms of weight, it's honestly not that different, despite what people say. I guess it's a little comfortable, or it's a little lighter, but it's not that noticeable. Maybe in longer periods that you're using the phone, you're gonna notice. And then in terms of the edges, the titanium, matte titanium or brushed titanium versus the stainless steel. Yeah, I think it's growing on me. I think I kind of like the brushed titanium. All right, let's go now to the accessories. Let me go to the overhead shot and show you the screen protector and also my case. Okay, let's do it. All right guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is installing a screen protector. So what we have is this ESR tempered glass screen protector. I'm gonna be installing it in this iPhone. Hey guys, so just a quick editor's note. I actually don't recommend that ESR screen protector because it has these black borders on the edges and it actually takes up some of the screen. And so with that, you can't really enjoy the thinner bezels of the iPhone 15 Pro. I don't know if this is, if it's only ESR that has this problem and any other brands doesn't, but for now, to be safe, I don't recommend any screen protector that has that black edges or borders for now, get a screen protector that is all transparent so that you can see the whole screen and that you can enjoy your thinner bezels on the iPhone 15 Pro. All right, back to the video. Okay, finally that's done. I had to be quiet just to concentrate as much as possible and not get any bubbles, but I think I finally got it. I think I have some like micro bubbles near here. It's not very noticeable, but all right, next up is gonna be the case. For this natural titanium, I think the one that would look the best is the burgundy color for the Mujjo full leather case. So again, this case, it is full grain vegetable tan leather. It's very slim, and let's try it on. Ooh, that's a nice color, really nice. All right, let's see if it fits. Ooh, yeah. Bakit nagka-bubbles ulit? There we go. Ooh, that's a perfect fit, I think. Oh, yeah. Buttons all work. Pressing that, yeah. Very clicky, easy to click, and very slim. Ooh, yeah. That is a really nice color combination. Although I think that the natural titanium is very versatile. You can use the dark tan case for the full leather case, or the blue even, and you will get a nice look. Okay, so I had to remove the case first because we're going to do a transfer and setup of the two physical SIMs. I'm going to show you guys. All right, so first we're gonna So as you guys can see, this is one SIM here, another SIM there. So let's go ahead and transfer that. All right, so again, this is the Hong Kong version. I'll put one SIM here, and then another SIM right there. There you go, two SIMs. Now let's put it back in. There you go. All right, now let's go boot it up for the first time. There we go, we got an Apple logo. Hello. Oh, set up new iPhone. Unlock to continue. Okay, I think it's gonna take a while, so I will be back. So the iPhone 15 is actually setting up for quite a while, so I'll be ending the video for now. Stay tuned later on for a full review of the iPhone 15 Pro. But today, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the unboxing. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace!